This is multiplication practice. We started doing 2-digit by 1-digit multiplication, 3-digit by 1-digit, and then we had some challenge problems that we were working on. So this is just the traditional multiplication algorithm, traditional way to do it, and it works every single time if you multiply correctly. So 4 times 6 is 24. Put down the 4. We're going to carry the 2, and this 2 is an adding 2 because it got carried over. Then we do 6 times 5. 6 times 5 is 30, and then we add the 2 for 32. The answer is 324. Okay, and be careful with this adding 2 that you don't add first. So you don't do 5 plus 2 is 7 and then do 6 times 7, or you would have ended up with 42, and you would have 424. Okay, so you should multiply first. 6 times 5 is 30, plus 2 is 32. All right, next. 9 times 3 is 27. Put down the 7. Carry the 2. 9 times 2 is 18. 19, 20. Okay, so that's 207 for that one. And if you're trying this at home, you can just pause the video here, do the problem, and then watch me go through the answers so that you are able to do it on your own. Okay, 48 times 7. 7 times 8 is going to be 56. Put down the 6, carry the 5. 7 times 4. Remember, multiply first. 7 times 4 is 28. Plus 5 is 33. The answer should be 336. Next, 65 times 8. 8 times 5 is 40. Put down the 0, carry the 4. 8 times 6 is 48, plus 4 is 52. So the answer for this one is 520. So the answer is 76. Alright, so you can see how knowing your basic facts, your basic multiplication facts, will help you multiply much more quickly when you get into 2- and 3-digit multiplication. Alright, let's go to the medium ones. These are the 3-digit ones. Okay. 135 times 3. Okay, the process is the same, we just have to do it longer. So 3 times 5 is 15. Put down the 5, carry the 1, which will be an adding 1. 3 times 3 is 9, plus 1 is 10. So we put down the 0, carry the 1, which again is an adding 1. 3 times 1, so that was a multiply. 3 times 1 is 3, plus 1 is 4. The answer should be 405 for number 6. Okay, number 7, 649 times 5. 5 times 9 is 45. Put down the 5, carry the 4. 5 times 4 is 20. Plus 4 is 24. Put down the 4, carry the 2. 5 times 6 is 30. Plus 2 is 32. So the answer for this one is 3,245. For this next one, 4 times 6 is 24. Down the 4, carry the 2. 4 times 2 is 8. Plus 2 is 10. Put down the 0. Carry the 1. 4 times 1 is 4. Plus 1 is 5. The answer should be 504. Next, 257 times 2. 2 times 7 is 14. Put down the 4. Carry the 1. 2 times 5 is 10. Plus 1 is 11. Down the 1. Carry the 1. 2 times 2 is 4. Plus 1 is 5. The answer should be 514. So those were the medium ones. We just had to do an extra step each time. Now for the harder ones. And these are harder just because they have more digits on the top. So this is 2,546 times 5. So we're going to start just the same way. 5 times 6 is 30. Put down the 0, carry the 3. 5 times 4 is 20. Plus 3 is 23. Put down the 3, carry the 2. 5 times 5 is 25. Plus 2 is 27. put down the 7, carry the 2. 5 times 2 is 10, plus 2 is 12, and then we just put down the 12. So the answer is 12,730. So you see the process is exactly the same. We just have to do it longer. Okay, so for number 11, we're going to do 3 times 9, which is 27. Put down the 7, carry the 2. 3 times 7, which is 21, plus 2 is 23. Down the 3, carry the 2. Then 3 times 8, which is 24, plus 2 is 26. Down the 6, carry the 2. And then 3 times 8 is 6, plus 2 is 8. So the answer is 8,637. Don't already do that. Next, 6,317 times 8. 8 times 7 is 56. Put down the 6, carry the 5. 8 times 1 is 8, plus 5 is 13. Down the 3, carry the 1. 8 times 3 is 24, plus 1 is 25. Put down the 5, carry the 2. 8 times 6 is 48, plus 2 is 50. So the answer to number 12 is 50,536. Number 13. 7 times 1 is 7. Don't have to carry anything that time. 7 times 4 is 28. Put down the 8, carry the 2. 7 times 6 is 42. Plus 2 is 44. Put down the 4, carry the 4. 7 times 5 is 35. Plus 4 is 39. So the answer is 39,487. Okay, now we'll take a look at the challenge problems. Challenge problems, again, what makes them challenges is their digits across the top are more. So there's more digits across the top. 9 times 3 is 27. Well, 3 times 9 is 27. Put down the 7, carry the 2. 3 times 8 is 24. Plus 2 is 26. Put down the 6, carry the 2. 3 times 7 is 21. Plus 2 is 23. Put down the 3, carry the 2. 3 times 6 is 18. Plus 2 is 20. Put down the 0, carry the 2. We carried a lot of 2's on this one. 3 times 5 is 15. Plus 2 is 16, 17. So the answer for this one is 170,367. So we get some quite big numbers in there. Remember, after every 3 numbers from the right, you put a comma. That's how you know where that comma goes. Next, 92,814 times 6. 6 times 4 is 24. Down the 4, carry the 2. 6 times 1 is 6, plus 2 is 8. 6 times 8 is 48. Put down the 8, carry the 4. 6 times 2 is 12, plus 4 is 16. Put down the 6, carry the 1. 6 times 9 is 54, plus 1 is 55. So this one will come over 3, the comma goes here, it's 556,814. Next. 7 times 5 is 35, put down the 5, carry the 3. 7 times 2 is 14, plus 3 is 17, put down the 7, carry the 1. 7 times 4 is 28, plus 1 is 29, put down the 9, carry the 2. 7 times 9 is 63, plus 2 is 65, put down the 5, carry the 6. 7 times 5 is 35, plus 6 is 41, put down the 1, carry the 4. 7 times 6 is 42, plus 4 is 46, put down the 6, carry the 4. 7 times 8 is 56, plus 4 is 60. So again, we count every 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. The answer should be 60,615,975. So this is how to do multi-digit multiplication times one digit.